Hi and welcome to Steve's Renovation in Spain. Okay, so this week we've been asked a few questions about how did we buy the house, how did we find the house? Well, we did a lot of searching on the internet and we actually put a deposit down for the house just on the strength of a video that was recorded by the agent. And just for open book policy, we're going to let you watch the video, and here it is.
This one would be the house. Okay, what we see here, just the size. Actually, this land, as far as it says, from here to here, just start the house. Okay, and it could be where the company car is, all this, until the fence. Okay, it goes to until that fence, and it goes up, and this is the property. Okay. I present you the property in a minute. I'm not sure if it is open. I've got the key. I'm honest, I think everything is open. There we are. Well, in order to see what we've got here, up. Okay, this is a building that they used to have it for animals. I will try to pass by later on. And then here we've got what it is, the house, neighbors, the mountains, some palm trees. Okay, you can see the surrounding. Up. Okay, so here it is what it used to be the kitchen. It was raining yesterday, so it's the ceiling, as we spoke, they've got issues with it, so it needs to be repaired. This way it's full of it is with water at the moment because of the rain yesterday. And then we've got the house. Let me just go and try to get the I'm not sure if I need the key or not. I will pass by as it is. Okay, so traditional ceiling here. That the tiles, they are gone. So let's see what we find here. Okay, bedroom. From you asked me to do it from all the corners, so there we are. I could say single, even though that there is a space for a double mattress. Okay, this is a 135 meters mattress. Then we've got here what we have seen from the other side. Okay, what used to be the kitchen. Then let's go here from the hall. We've got the bigger bedroom. This is definitely bigger than the other one. We go through the other corner. Okay. And then from here to here. That is a double mattress as well. And there's a space now for another one. Then from here we go to what used to be the living area. Sitting here, it looks like the wood is fine. It's just the replacement of the tiles. And this is also a part of the roof that is over. Then let's go from the outside. We'll try to find out what we've got in where the animals are. A lot of snails here. Up. Ah. Okay. Then from here to here. Got the bathroom. Used to, in this kind of houses, which are very old, when they first when you start living there were no mains, so there were no bathroom, and then they installed it, maybe in the 60s or whatever. And then here we've got, well, and storage. These kind of houses, they were used, of spaces, they were used for animals, as I was saying, but you can convert it into a house. Okay. And then here as well, it was for animals. You can have access to the house through that wall. And behind that wall there, you've got the neighbor. I hope that helps.
So there you have it. That is the video that we watched, and that's the video that we decided on to actually buy the house. Let's show you what's coming up in the next few videos. Enjoy, and we'll talk to you later. So it's always too tempting, isn't it? You know, like there was already an hole in the wall. Somehow I slipped with the hammer, and now it's a bigger hole. It appears that the wall that we can see that's outside, some of it's actually on this wall. Right, this is what we're doing, and under here you can see that there's plastic, and then that's the roof or the ceiling that you'll see underneath. So at the moment we're just shoveling off all the dirt. So it's the roof, it's being delivered on a truck.